Hello! Welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, we're going to give a short room tour of my room here at Super 8 in Delavan, Wisconsin. There's nothing on the marquee. That is really weird. This is the motel from the rear, the back view. Some positives this Super 8 has going for it. It's just off the interstate. There's a grocery store right across the street. It's right next door to a gas station. And there are several fast food places within a very short walking distance. Wendy's, McDonald's, and so forth. Soda machine, the snack machine, the ice machine, and the laundry. The wash machine is currently not working. Second floor, room 204. A little sink there. That's a little different. It's like a basin bowl. Big bathroom sink. The bathroom appears to be clean. Check behind the door. Got a nice big mirror there too. Gave me 2 beds instead of 1. Pictures of a marina. Refrigerator. Semi-cool. Microwave. Small little closet area. One lounge chair with a very large stain there, though. Carpet is very old, very raggedy. Do not see any stains or anything. The bed. Sign of bed bugs, so that's good. have noticed this furniture is really beat up. And this does not make me feel safe at all. All right, this is my short review, final notes about the Super 8 here in Delavan, Wisconsin. I would not stay here again, in all honesty. The hotel itself, it's not a bad hotel. It's not a terrible hotel. I've slept in and stayed at many that are much worse. I mean, the furniture, it is chipped, should be replaced. There is furniture in the hallways, one little cubby alcove sections in the hallways. The carpets in the room really should be replaced. There was a stain on the chair in my room, things like that. But I mean, there was nothing. There was no bed bugs. There was no stains on the sheets or anything like that. There was no hair in the bathroom. I mean, the room had been cleaned. It was a clean room. So, but my issue with this place was the price I paid for the room was outrageous, honestly. For what I received, for what I paid, it was ridiculous. I don't know why it was so much. And granted, though, too, I mean, when I say so much, I mean, it's so much for this type of hotel. I mean, this room was about, I mean, it was one of the least expensive rooms for the night. I don't know if there's some convention going on in the area or why the room rates were all higher. But for what I paid for here, I mean, it was just ridiculous. There was no reason to be charging that much for the room I stayed in. And so I cannot recommend this hotel. If you come through Delavan, Wisconsin, I do not recommend staying at the Super 8. And it was not because, I also should emphasize, it was not because of the staff. The check-in lady at night, she was, I don't know, a little bit, she was friendly enough, but I mean, she was just there, basically. The morning guy, he was great, the checkout guy. This criticism is not about the staff or the hotel itself, per se. It was just about the price you paid for what you got. And if you are someone who is on a budget or a family, I mean, if you were coming through, I would recommend somewhere else, honestly, just because I don't think this is a place for you. It's not set up that way anymore. Super 8s all used to be, kind of that way. But this one, well, chains in general, hotel chains, they're not that way anymore. The hotels, they may look similar on the outside, but every hotel is different now. And so they don't have that same quality that they used to be across the board. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's some place that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion about some future video you would like to see me do, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you've enjoyed this adventure or any of the adventures in TV land, or found this helpful or whatever, you can help support this channel by going to either Buy Me a Coffee or Patreon and making a donation or becoming a member at either one of those two places, or just by hitting the super like button below. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.